got new pink slips. What is that? A C7 Corvette with the big wing, or is it a ZR1? Oh, that must be a ZR1 with that big wing. What else do we got? Ooh, a green M3. It's looking okay. Wheels are kind of cheesy. What is that? 65 chrome Cobra, guys. Oh my gosh. Check out that 911. Oh my. That thing is fire, guys. Matte black with the silver accents. Yes, please. Wow. We scored. I didn't even know about these new pink slips. First time seeing them. Just one set of them. We got the Majorettes. Oh, nice, guys. Nice little stop at the Walmart. We'll take them. All right, guys, we made it back from Walmart. Definitely wasn't expecting to find these. So we're going to do an unboxing of each one. We'll throw them up on the turntable, check them out. All right, we'll start off with the BMW M3 in the green. There's the case. And it does have some BMW stripes on the side there, which is kind of cool. I'm not a huge fan of that green color. Could have done a better color, I think, but they always are lacking on the wheel department on these pink slips. If they could do a better wheel, these things would be on another level. Let's see. It does have opening doors on this one, so the doors do open. Sometimes they have moving parts on these, sometimes they don't. All right, well, let's check out the Corvette. So I'm guessing this is a ZR1 Corvette. It probably doesn't say it on there. We'll see. Just because of that big wing, that was pretty much a ZR1 thing to have that big of a wing on the Z07. So it's got the black hood, has some gold stripes there. Let me know what you guys think. I think they could have left those gold stripes off and done the black hood and roof. It would have looked a little better. Let's see what it says on the bottom here. Just says Chevrolet Corvette on there. So we're going to call it a ZR1 Corvette because of that wing. It's a very cheesy, plasticky wing that's probably going to break pretty easily. But this one does have the opening doors as well. All right, next up, my favorite, guys. This thing is just an awesome Porsche in the matte flat black. Gotta get this thing open. They've made this RS 2.7 in a few different color variations. But this is the first time I've seen it in this flat black, and it looks good with the silver accents there. They did a good job. Even the cheesy plastic wheels look good with the chrome rim around there. Nice. I really, really dig that one. And this one, I believe, has the opening hood. Oh, yeah. Got a little engine action in there. Carrera RS. And the Porsche right there. So good. Definitely the highlight of this set for me. But honestly, guys, this entire set is pretty good. Okay, one last one here to go. And it's actually a pretty good looking Shelby Cobra in the chrome. Look at that, guys. That thing is shiny. And it has some gray stripes that actually look pretty decent. I am digging that color combo. Same wheel as the Porsche. You can see the exact same black rim with a chrome ring. They did a good job on this one, guys. I really dig that. So they all have some moving parts on these pink slips. The trunk opens on this one. Should have had the hood open. Showed off that 427 Cobra engine. But that one, definitely looking good. The little Shelby logo right up front. All right, guys, here are the new pink slips all out in the wild here. Look at that Cobra, guys. That is looking stunning. The way the light hits off of it. Super cool casting. Let me know which one your favorite is. I gotta go Carrera from #1, and I'm going Shelby Cobra, Corvette, BMW. BMW had a chance. It's just not in the greatest color. So, but yeah, guys, an unexpected find at the Walmart. So just thought I would share that with you. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. We'll have some more unboxings soon, along with another Hot Wheels hunt video. Have a good one.